What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGM Classic.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you a new video on our new arrival, 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. Let me give you my thoughts and opinions on this car. First off, as you can see, I do have the car running. Big block Chevy under the hood. The engine bay is immaculate. Runs great, very healthy. As you can see, this car is a show car, show quality car. Air conditioning, big block, everything polished, painted really nicely. I mean, just a beautiful car. I do have pictures on the website, check it out. Underneath photos, the paint is in immaculate condition. All the chrome, all the bumper. This was a rotisserie restoration. This car is really, really nice. As you can see, the same with the interior, just as immaculate as the outside. Inside, we do have a digital radio, but we also have a Sony down there with the aux, all your Bluetooth, everything you need. Got your clock down there, floor shift. It's a great sounding car. Sounds really good. I do have underneath photos. Like I said, look under there. The photos are, they don't do this car justice. The video doesn't do this car justice. It really is a gorgeous car. SS 396 badges. Got the wrong key there. Trunk, really nice. Got a subwoofer there. Really nice sound system. Trunk lid, you got your jacking instructions. It's very nice. Closes nicely, lines up great. American Racing torque thrust wheels. You can see how straight the body is. The body is immaculate on this car. Like I said, I do have underneath photos and more photos on the website, so please check out the website, get more information there. Just an outstanding car. If you are looking for a show quality 67 Chevelle, this is the car. Beautiful color, everything is done right, and the car runs and drives great. You could drive it anywhere. If you are interested in this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle, please give us a call at 847-848-1850. We have special financing with great monthly payments available and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. In a car like this, you would most likely get enclosed. I would recommend it because this is a car, it's just an outstanding car. I wouldn't put this on an open trailer, but we do offer both. So give us a call. If you are interested in getting the transport, send your zip code to 847-848-1850. This is our beautiful warehouse in Addison, Illinois, one of two showrooms here, 200 cars in stock that we own. So stop on by. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. So please give us a call or visit the website first, make an appointment, and we will be seeing you here soon, picking up the car of your dreams, because I guarantee you we have it. If we don't, we will have it eventually, because we get new cars in almost every single day. Thanks for watching, everybody. My name is Mr. Jenkins. It's been a pleasure showing you this gorgeous 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. I want to thank everyone for watching the videos. And remember, folks, this car sure looks good here, but it will look a whole lot better in your garage. See you, everybody. Mr. Jenkins out. Have a great day.